Hey guys, pretty stoked. My light bar that I ordered from Redline 4x4 finally came in, and we're gonna install that guy right there on top of that shock tower today. I obviously haven't done it before, so bear with me. Here we go. So what we got is the OnX6 light bar. This little guy, just a 10-inch guy there. It's the hybrid, so you have flood and spot. Obviously you can tell which one's which just by looking at the lenses. Cool thing about Baja designs, they are made in the United States, here in Southern California. Well, if you're me, it's here. But in Southern California, and they're the only light bar that is rebuildable by the owner. So you can take this faceplate off, put different lenses in there, different colored lenses if you want amber to cut through the dust. You can even change out the silver cones in there so you can change the disbursement pattern also. We're going to be mounting it to the shock towers. We got the mount here, nuts and bolts there with a little harness, and then we have the full wiring harness with the kit to go to the battery, and have the toggle switch that's going to go on the panel. All right guys, so the next step is we're going to remove this seat and then those two plastic panels so we can run the wires and then attach the light to the batteries back there and ground it out. All right, so we got all these panels removed, so now we're gonna go ahead and get everything wired up. So, wires there, ground somewhere, and it's gonna run through here. I'm gonna go put the toggle switch on the left side of my steering wheel, and I'll show you guys when I do it. All right guys, took a little break for dinner and to talk to my buddies over at Second Amendment Woodworking, who just posted their first video on YouTube. You should go check it out, it's pretty rad. They do really good work, and they'll probably be on this channel at some point. But had a little revelation. I was having some issues with the wiring, wiring, electrical stuff, really just modifying a vehicle at all. Something I'm pretty new to. So for those of you who don't know, this guy right here, that guy, positive, negative, ground, and there's a ground for the Baja light bar. Took me a little bit of figuring to get that one down pat, so let's get back to it. All right, so we're gonna do a recap. I ended up moving the wires for the light bar from the battery, because they don't go there, to this sucker right here. So what this is the accessory mounting point for electronics in the Can-Am. So you have your positive, your negative, or the switch hot post. I'm not an electrician, so I don't really know exactly what it's called, but positive, negative. Up here's the ground, and yeah, we're going to run the wires over here, up through there, and then through the firewall in there from this side. So I pushed the cable through the firewall, through that little rubber cone you can see there. Had a zip tie on it, went ahead and cut it off. Just gonna have to throw a zip tie when I'm done. But yeah, that's where it comes through.